Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing well. Today we're going to look at a problem uh, which is basically a Codechef problem. You can see the difficulty level is 830 and the name of the problem is the block game. So here in the problem statement we can see the citizens of Byteland regularly play a game. They have blocks each denoting some integer from 0 to 9. These are arranged together in a random manner without selling to form different numbers, keeping in mind that the first block is never 0. Once they form a number, they read the reverse order. Remember the keyword reverse order to check if the number and its reverse is the same. If both are same, then player wins. We call such numbers palindrome. Ash happens to see this game and wants to simulate the same in the computer. As the first step, he wants to take an input from user and checks the number is a palindrome and declare if the user wins or not. The first line of the input contains t, the number of test cases. This followed by t lines containing an integer n. Output for each output wins if the number is palindrome and loses if not in a new line. Okay, so basically we can see here three test cases we have and three examples we have. 331 loses, 666 wins, 343 wins. So basically in the problem statement I'll be using C++. So let me just switch to C++. Let me just move to my code editor. So here it is said that if the number is palindrome, it wins and otherwise it loses. So what is palindrome? Basically you can see 343 it wins, all right, because if you reverse 343, if we go from backward, it's 3 then 4 then 3. In this case it wins. Okay, for 666 666 it's 666, so in this case it wins 2. And as for the other test case, which is 331, if we reverse this number it becomes 133. In this case it doesn't really work. So now what happens, we have to find whether it is palindrome or not, and then we can say if it is palindrome, it will output wins, otherwise will output loses. This is what our problem statement is saying. So let's get started to solve this problem. First of all, let's go to the code editor, include IOStream using namespace std integer main. So in the main function, inside the main function we need our test cases. So for test cases we'll take integer n, and then we'll take the input for test cases, and our code will run exactly n times. So the other thing we need is a number, right? The number test case, this line, an integer. So basically we have test cases for we have two inputs. Okay, one is test cases, one for t for test cases, and other one is an integer n inside the test cases. Okay, you can see every time the test case is 3, and every time our integer is taken. For example, you can see that it's taken for 3 times. So we have to take the integer inside the test case. So I'll define the number or the integer outside the loop, and inside the loop I will take input for it. So now I'll convert this, since we have to check whether it is palindrome or not, so it will be easy for us if we convert this integer into string. So we'll convert this into string st to string. Okay, so this is now a string. Okay, so for now what we will see is, for integer I will be start from st.size -1. It will start from the last element. Okay, I mean from the last character of our string, and it will run until it's equal or greater than 0, and it will come backward. Okay, let me just take another string, which is string stref, and just set up it to empty. And now we will just increment our reverse number inside the stref. So our reverse number inside the stref. And now we will see if st is strictly equal to stref, cout wins, else cout loses. Return 0, and then we will run this code and see whether it is running perfectly or not. So here we'll use 3, and what were our numbers? 331 loses, 666 wins, and 343 wins. So we can say our all test cases matched, and now we will copy this code and paste it to our online judge code editor, and we'll just submit and see the result. So you can see this is our correct answer. Everything worked perfectly. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like to watch more problem solving videos, then don't forget to like my video and subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.